Hey everyone, in this tutorial we would be talking about the button widget. So I will just explain as I write the code for creating one such button. I will just follow the 4 steps we discussed in the introduction video. So I'll import Tkinter, I'll write import Tkinter, then I'll declare the window. That was the second step. I'll write win equals Tkinter.tk, and then I'll give in the title. I'll write win.title and let the title be button. Okay. Now I'll declare my widget. That was the third step, adding any number of widgets to the main screen. So I'll write button, that's my variable, equals Tkinter dot button, and I'll give in these brackets, and you can see that there are these numerous parameters that I can specify to size my button or to decorate it. So first I'll give in this master, which is about the parent window. So I'll write win. Then I'll mention the text. So it's the text that I want on my button. So I'll write quit, because the command that I'd be specifying, so command tells you what the button would be doing. So that would be win.destroy. So destroy is an universal widget. You can not only use it with the window container, but also to destroy other widgets like the button itself. Okay, and I can even specify the height and width of the button. So I'll write width equals, let it be 7, and height, let it be 4. Okay, then I can have the active background parameter. So I'll write active background, let it be pink. So active background is basically the color of the button when you have clicked on it, and active foreground, let it be purple. So that's the color of the text when you have clicked on the button. Then you can also specify the background color and foreground color. Let us specify that. So I'll write PG equals sky blue. You can also take in the RGB colors, but I'll take the normal ones for right now. Then you have foreground, let it be white. And then you can even specify the font, let it be Georgia. You can give in any font, Arial or Calibri. Then I'll have relief, let it be equal to ridge. So relief is the type of border you want. It can be flat, groove, raised, ridge, solid or sunken. Okay, that's all that I'd be specifying, all the parameters that I'd be giving in for my button. But there are more. In place of text, you can even give in an image that would be working as a button. Okay. Or you even have this justify parameter. So how you want to show the multiple lines. If you have a text, then how you want to show those multiple lines along left side or right side, or you want it to be in center. So it's basically the alignment of the text, but for that you would need to specify that /n in the text, otherwise it won't be treated as multiple lines. You can even have pad X or pad Y. So pad X is for additional padding along the Y-axis, left or right of the text, and pad Y is for the additional padding above or below the text. Then you can even have the state parameter to disable the button. Then you have underline, so the corresponding number text would be underlined. Then you can have wrap length. If it is positive, then the text lines would be wrapped to fit within this length. And then I'll get to the pack. I'll pack this widget. I'll write button.pack. So this is a geometry manager that organizes the widgets in blocks. We'll talk about this very descriptively in some upcoming videos, but for right now, just know that it's for organizing this widget. There are options to this. You can give in an argument. We have expand, fill, and side. Expand lets the widget take up any space on the master window. Fill is for taking up extra space, so you can specify along Y or X axis or both. Then you have side. It is for top, left, bottom, right alignment where you want your button. And then I'll call in the main loop. Cool. I'll write win dot main loop. Let's run this and let's check if our button has the parameters that we specified. So I have my screen and I can see this sky blue and white combination that we specified for background and foreground. And when I click on it, I can see this pink and purple active foreground and background. You can even see this rich border, and you can notice the border width, the width and height of the button, and yeah, okay. You can even see the text. And when I click on the button, the window goes away, as in the window is destroyed. Okay. So everything worked as we wanted it to. We could see the parameters working, button parameters working, and the widget working quite fine. You can even get an image in place of this text, so please try doing that. It's very easy. So that's it for this program. Thank you.